sure bafethu. Igama umshini kaZwide. Ngokwaziwa kwami on all social media platforms. Out here Orlando West, Soweto. Sly Backyard Kitchen, which is my establishment, which serves African cuisine. So yeah, shout out, stay tuned for more action. Okay, so Backyard Kitchen, 7428 eGqineni to be specific. Yeah, iseva African cuisine experience ngenxa yokuthi la based khona Orlando West sikuhub tourism, you know. Tourism is done every day lana. I'm not so far from the Hector Peterson Museum, so the opportunity ukuthi siseva inyama yenkomo, which is inyama yenhloko, which is isibindi senkomo nenhliziyo, yabo. Sithi shadini lapho, so we keep it organic, siseve ngepapa. On certain days kunama request ukuthi sifake uphuthu, siyazama no compromise lapho. So that's the experience we offer in terms of cuisine yethu. Ama-price sikhona kuMantu, sikhona ku-Instagram, Backyard Kitchen 7428, njengoba ngispecifyile because maningi ama-Backyard Kitchen, so you don't want to find yourself lost. So faka leyo 7428, which is the house number yaseJardini, yabo. And yeah, kula uzobona imenu, ama-price, sizo-introduce ama-delivery ngasikudala, with the cycling element of us going green, yabo, saving the planet, and you know, trying by all means to stay positive and healthy. Apart from ipap esilseva, you know, elinonisai. But yeah, check us out.